imika waxaan u yeedhi doonaa oo aan ku soo dhaweyn doonaa microphone-ka Master Simon oo ku hadli doona magaca UNSOM.
Your Excellency, President Bihi, distinguished members of the Cabinet of Ministers, and also distinguished guests. On behalf of the United Nations system, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the team which has drawn this together. NDP III is an impressive, an exciting document. Impressive in its scope and its ambition. Sure, it is not going to be achieved easily. It throws down many challenges, not just to government, but to the international community supporting government and to the people of Somaliland, to the private sector. There are many challenges lie ahead. On behalf of the UN system, we look forward to working with you towards achieving those challenges. We have been involved in working closely with the team led most recently by Dr. Bahani in the Ministry of Planning. The UN system here in Hargeisa draws together humanitarian partners, development partners, United Nations specialized agencies. Each one of those has a separate and a distinct contribution to make to the NDP III, the achievement of NDP III, and ultimately the progress towards Vision 2030, which is closely aligned with the international aspirations for 2030 reflected in the Sustainable Development Goals. We look forward to this. As I say, it is not going to be a quick task. It will not be easy. There will be frustrations. I'm sure that the government are no stranger to the frustrations, perhaps, of working with the international community. But we also look forward to addressing those constructively. There will be challenges, as I said, in drawing together the NDP objectives along with the Sustainable Development Goals. As Secretary General Guterres mentioned in one of his first pronouncements upon being appointed Secretary General of the United Nations, the challenge is to ensure that peace, development, and human rights can advance consistently and coherently together. You don't get progress in one area without the others. That's a challenge. We look forward to working with you. With that, thank you very much, and we look forward to the challenges in future.